This video teaches you how to make an Apple ID account without having to enter any payment information. You can do this either on the Apple ID website, on iTunes, or on your iPhone or iPad. Apple ID accounts are used to log into Apple apps, phones, tablets, and computers. Method 1. Using the Apple ID website. Open the Apple ID site. Go to https://appleid.apple.com/. This will open the login page. If this opens a current Apple ID page, log out before continuing. Click Create your Apple ID. It's a link in the upper right corner of the page. Doing so will open the Apple ID creation form. Enter your Apple ID information. Fill out the following fields: first name and last name, enter your first and last name, birthday, enter your birthday in DD, YYYY format. Name at example.com, type in the email address that you want to use for your Apple ID. You can't use an email address that's already being used as an Apple ID. Password and confirm password, enter the password that you want to use for your Apple ID. Select security questions and answers. Click a security question drop-down box, click a question in the drop-down menu, and then type an answer into the answer text field below the box. You'll need to do this for the remaining 2 security questions as well. Scroll down and enter the security code. Type the characters displayed in the gray box into the text field to the right of the box. You can click New Code to generate a different security code if you can't read the first one. Click Continue. It's at the bottom of the page. Retrieve your email address verification code. Open the email address that you set as your Apple ID, open the Verify Your Apple ID email address email from Apple, and note the 6-digit code in the middle of the email. Enter the verification code. Type the 6-digit code into the verification window on the Apple ID website. Make sure that you don't include any spaces. Click Continue. It's in the bottom right corner of the verification window. As long as the code that you enter matches the one sent to your email address, doing so will create your Apple ID account.